Have you ever stopped to wonder where an animal gets its incredible energy? How does a cheetah sprint across the savannah, or a whale dive deep into the ocean's dark depths? The answer, in its simplest form, is food. Just like a car needs petrol to run its engine, every living creature on this magnificent planet needs fuel to live, to move, and to grow. This process of getting energy and essential nutrients from food is what we call nutrition. It is the very foundation of life itself, a constant daily quest that dictates the behavior and survival of every animal, from the smallest insect to the largest blue whale. Nutrition is much more than just filling an empty stomach. It is about obtaining the right building blocks for a healthy body. These building blocks, called nutrients, help animals repair themselves, build strong bones and muscles, and keep their internal systems working perfectly. Without this vital intake, an animal cannot thrive. It cannot raise its young, defend its territory, or escape from danger. The search for good food is a powerful driving force in the natural world, a silent story of survival that unfolds every single moment, in every corner of the earth, shaping the destiny of all species. Imagine a young lion cub playing with its siblings. Its boundless energy comes directly from the milk it drinks from its mother. This milk is packed with everything the cub needs to develop. Later, it will learn to hunt, and the meat it eats will provide the strength for it to become a powerful hunter. Every jump, every pounce, and every playful tumble is powered by the nutrition it receives. This journey from birth to adulthood is a remarkable testament to the power of food, a continuous cycle where energy is transferred from one living thing to another in the great tapestry of life. This fundamental need for energy and nutrients is a universal truth shared by all animals. Whether it is a hummingbird sipping nectar with its long, delicate beak, or a shark gliding silently through the water in search of its next meal, the goal is precisely the same. They are all seeking the essential components that will allow them to see another day. Understanding this basic principle is the first step in appreciating the wonderfully complex and fascinating world of animal diets, a world full of incredible strategies and amazing adaptations for finding and eating the perfect meal. In the vast kingdom of animals, there are many different ways to find a meal. One of the simplest ways to understand this diversity is to look at what animals eat. We can group them into different categories based on their primary food source. The first of these groups is the herbivores. These are the plant eaters of the world. Their entire existence revolves around consuming leaves, grass, fruits, seeds, and roots. Think of the graceful giraffe, stretching its long neck to reach the tender leaves at the very top of an acacia tree. These animals are masters at turning plant matter into the energy they need to live. Herbivores come in all shapes and sizes. A tiny rabbit nibbling on clover in a meadow is a herbivore, just as a mighty elephant tearing branches from a tree is. They often spend a very large portion of their day eating, because plants can be difficult to digest and may not contain as much energy as other food sources. Herbivores like cows have special stomachs with multiple chambers to help them break down tough plant fibers. They play a crucial role in their ecosystems, helping to disperse seeds and shape the landscape simply by choosing where and what they eat. Their lives are a constant, peaceful search for green sustenance. On the opposite side of the dietary spectrum are the carnivores. These are the meat eaters, animals that get their nutrition by consuming other animals. Carnivores are often equipped with formidable weapons for hunting and eating their prey. Sharp teeth for tearing flesh, powerful claws for grabbing hold, and keen eyesight for spotting a potential meal from a great distance are all common traits. A wolf pack, for example, works together with incredible intelligence and coordination to hunt large animals like deer or moose. Their survival depends entirely on their ability to successfully hunt and capture other creatures for food. The world of carnivores is thrilling and full of incredible predators. From the lightning-fast cheetah on the African plains to the patient crocodile waiting silently in the water for an animal to come for a drink, their methods are diverse and fascinating. Even a small ladybird crawling on a leaf is a carnivore, as it keenly hunts for even smaller insects called aphids. These hunters play a vital role in keeping animal populations in balance. By preying on other animals, they help to ensure that no single species becomes too numerous, maintaining the delicate health of their entire habitat. Between the dedicated plant eaters and the committed meat eaters, there is another group of animals with a more flexible diet. These are the omnivores. The word omnivore means eats everything, and that is a fairly accurate description of their dietary habits. Omnivores have the remarkable ability to eat and digest both plants and animals, which gives them a fantastic advantage for survival. When one type of food is scarce, they can simply switch to another. This adaptability allows them to live in a wide variety of environments, from dense forests to bustling human cities, making them some of the most successful animals on the planet. A classic example of an omnivore is the brown bear. In the spring, a bear might feed on fresh green shoots and berries. In the summer, it will wade into rivers to catch salmon, using its powerful paws and sharp teeth to secure a fish. In the autumn, it will look for nuts and roots to fatten up for its long winter sleep. This varied diet provides a rich mix of nutrients. Humans, of course, are also omnivores, enjoying everything from salads and fruits to fish and chicken. This dietary flexibility has been a key factor in our own ability to spread across and inhabit the entire globe. To consume such a wide range of foods, animals have developed an amazing array of tools. The mouths of animals are wonderfully adapted for their specific diets. Herbivores like horses have large, flat teeth at the back of their mouths, which are perfect for grinding down tough grasses and plant stems. Carnivores, such as tigers, have long, sharp canine teeth at the front for gripping their prey, and scissor-like teeth on the sides for slicing through meat. Omnivores often have a bit of both, sharp teeth at the front and flatter, grinding teeth at the back, giving them the versatility to handle any meal. But it is not just teeth. Beaks and tongues are also highly specialized tools for eating. A woodpecker has a long, sticky tongue with a barbed tip, which it uses to pull insects out of tiny holes in tree bark. A flamingo has a very special beak that acts like a sieve, filtering tiny plants and animals from the water while pushing the mud and water out. A parrot's strong, curved beak is powerful enough to crack open the toughest nuts and seeds. These incredible adaptations show how nature has equipped every animal with the perfect set of tools for its own unique dinner table. An animal's body is a masterpiece of evolution, perfectly shaped by the food it eats. This goes far beyond just teeth and beaks. A herbivore's entire digestive system, for instance, is built for a plant-based diet. Animals like sheep and goats have a very long digestive tract. This extra length gives their bodies more time to break down the tough cellulose found in plants and to absorb as many nutrients as possible. Some herbivores, as we have seen, even have multiple stomach compartments, each playing a different role in the digestive process. Their bodies are incredible factories designed to turn grass into life. In contrast, the digestive system of a carnivore is often much shorter and simpler. Meat is relatively easy to digest compared to plant matter, so a long and complex gut is not necessary. The stomach of a carnivore has very strong acids that help to kill harmful bacteria found in raw meat, and to begin breaking down proteins quickly. From their powerful jaw muscles to the very chemistry inside their stomachs, every part of a carnivore is fine-tuned for a life of hunting and eating meat. Their internal design is just as predatory as their external claws and teeth. Ultimately, good nutrition is the key to everything in an animal's life. It provides the energy for daily activities, from a bee flying from flower to a kangaroo hopping across the Australian outback. It supplies the materials needed for growth, allowing a tiny caterpillar to transform into a beautiful butterfly. Good nutrition is also essential for reproduction. An animal that is well-fed is healthier, stronger, and more likely to successfully raise its young, passing its genes onto the next generation. Without proper nutrition, an animal's health will fail, and its lineage could come to an end. Learning about animal nutrition is therefore about more than just satisfying our curiosity. It helps us understand the delicate connections within an ecosystem. It shows us how every single organism, no matter its diet, plays an important part in the web of life. By appreciating the different ways animals find their food and how their bodies are adapted to their diets, we can better understand the importance of protecting their natural habitats. The food they need must be available for them to survive, and by ensuring it is, we help to maintain the wonderful and precious balance of the natural world.